Today, I'll show you how to make 3 different dishes: empanadas, tacos, and stuffed eggplants, all using one versatile mushroom, quinoa, and walnut filling. Let's start by making our plant-based filling that will be the base of our 3 dishes. Add olive oil to a sauté pan. Here I have some roasted mushrooms that have been pulsed in a food processor. Add these to the sauté pan. Next, I'm adding some quinoa that has been cooked in Knorr Professional Liquid Concentrated Vegetable Base for extra flavor. Next, add in some chopped walnuts. Mix well until heated through, about 5 to 7 minutes. Season with salt and pepper, and set aside to cool. Now I'll show you 3 easy dishes that use this filling. First, let's make our mushroom and quinoa stuffed eggplant. Toss the mushroom quinoa filling with some chopped cilantro. Then add the Hellmann's lemon Za'atar vinaigrette to bring an extra zing and Mediterranean flavor profile to the dish. Here, I've peeled 1 strip off the length of each eggplant, and then cut lengthwise through the peeled section, 3/4 of the way through the eggplant, forming a little pocket. These eggplants have been shallow fried in oil until cooked through. Stuff the 2 eggplants with the mushroom filling. Then bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. And there you have a beautiful vegan entree of mushroom, quinoa, and walnut stuffed eggplant. Next, let's make our mushroom and quinoa tacos with pickled red onions. Add some olive oil to a clean sauté pan. Add some of our roasted mushroom, quinoa, and walnut filling. To give it a Latin flavor profile for our tacos, add chili powder and cayenne, smoked paprika, ground cumin, ground coriander, and ground oregano. Mix this well and sauté for about 3 to 5 minutes. Warm some tortillas. Top the warm tortillas with the mushroom filling and garnish with some pickled red onions, sliced green onions, cotija cheese, and cilantro. Serve with a lime wedge. Lastly, drizzle with Hellmann's real Ancho Chipotle sauce for a nice smoky finish. And these beautiful vegetarian tacos are ready to serve. Now on to our next dish. Let me show you how to use our filling in these empanadas. Take some of the seasoned filling we used for the tacos and add 1/4 cup of Hellmann's spicy mayo. Mix well, then set this aside to cool. Brush the empanada dough discs with an egg wash. And fill each empanada with about a tablespoon of the mushroom taco filling mixture. Fold the dough over with your fingers, then seal with a fork. Place the empanadas on a baking sheet and brush them with the remaining egg wash. And bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 14 minutes. Serve with a side of Hellmann's spicy mayo for dipping, and you have a fun shared appetizer of empanadas stuffed with mushroom, quinoa, and walnut. And there you have it. 1 stuffing, 3 dishes. Empanadas, tacos, and stuffed eggplant, all made with a healthy and plant-based roasted mushroom, quinoa, and walnut stuffing.